how to turn off TikTok notifications. So on iPhone, there's two ways you can do this. One is through the app and one is through your settings. So go to your TikTok and go to the profile at the bottom right-hand corner, and then go to the three lines at the top right corner. You want to go into settings and privacy, and then scroll down to notifications. So here you can really tailor what you want to get notified. If it's likes or comments or followers, you can really go through here and get notified of your messages and things like that. It's very easy to tailor what you want to be notified from. But if you're someone that just wants to turn them off completely, what we can do is make this really easy and come out of your TikTok account, go and find your settings, and then scroll down to your apps. And we're going to go ahead and type in TikTok just to make it easier. Go ahead to your TikTok and then go to notifications. Once you're here, all you need to do is toggle off allow notifications, and that is going to completely turn off every single notification that TikTok would give you, and you don't have to go through the app. You don't have to manually turn everything off. You can just come to your settings and turn this off this way, and that's it. It's very simple, very easy to do.